It's an issue we've been exposing for years. Kids locked up in psychiatric hospitals for longer than medically necessary while in the state's care. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live. And Megan, you've been digging into the possible solutions.
Right, and one of those solutions was a court order that would allow special advocates to automatically step in. That order went into effect less than a month ago, and one organization has already been assigned 22 kids who are stuck in hospitals.
James McIntyre has been down in Springfield.
I have been down here since, February.
Trying to get lawmakers to designate $2 million to help Cook County kids in care. Sounds like a lot, but McIntyre points out that there has been a historic lack of funding for his organization, Court-Appointed Special Advocates, or CASA, of Cook County.
We've been around for 35 years. In that 35 years, for the first 33 years, we had no state grant assistance whatsoever.
Lake, DuPage, and Kane counties also have court-appointed special advocates, and they're able to help nearly 100% of the kids in the care of the state. But here in Cook County, CASA of Cook County is only able to service about 11% of the kids who need it. And right now they're focusing on kids like this 17-year-old.
Just being locked up in these hospitals as if they were shelters or prisons, and they're just forgetting about us.
Whose psychiatric lockup lasted 67 days longer than it should have. Last year, more than 350 kids were in that boat. McIntyre gets it. He was in the care of the state as a kid, and he was stuck in a psych hospital.
By the fourth time of my hospitalization, the adoptive parents decided that they weren't going to pick me up anymore.
Longer than he should have been.
And I didn't have an advocate to fight for me. I know exactly what they're going through every single day.
Now, CASA of Cook County is focusing on these kids and wants to help many others, but McIntyre says they need the funding that's currently proposed in House Bill 4751 and Senate Bill 3499, or this problem will only get worse.
Now, McIntyre says that additional funding would help them bring in 120 more volunteers, which would help them serve 240 additional children in addition to their current caseload. Live at the Cook County Juvenile Center, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
We've done many investigations into how kids have been let down by the state. To see our extensive reporting, download the CBS Chicago app and click on CBS 2 Investigators.